In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Monopoly Go stickers safely through Reddit or Discord web. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to official trading communities on Reddit or Discord using the web version. The reason for using well-known communities is simple. They usually have clearer rules, active moderation, and lots of traders, which makes it easier to find the stickers you need. Once you arrive, take a moment to read the community guidelines. This helps you understand how trades are usually posted and what information you should include. Next, create a clear post showing the stickers you currently have and the stickers you're looking for. Try to keep your message simple and organized so other players can quickly understand your offer. A clean trade post saves time and increases your chances of getting a response. If the community already has a preferred format, follow it closely. That makes your post look more trustworthy and easier for others to reply to. After that, share your Monopoly Go friend link from your browser clipboard. Make sure you're only sharing the friend invite link needed for the trade and not any private or sensitive information. This link allows the other person to add you in the game so the exchange can happen smoothly. Before posting or sending it, double check that you copied the correct link. A small mistake here can slow everything down. Once someone responds and seems interested, take a moment to agree on the terms of the trade before sending anything. Confirm exactly which sticker you are giving, which one you are receiving, and who is sending first if needed. Being clear at this stage helps prevent misunderstandings. It's always a good idea to keep the conversation inside the platform's messages or comment thread so there's a visible record of what was agreed. Finally, complete the safe exchange. This is the most important part because the goal is to finish the trade without confusion or risk. Follow the agreed terms carefully, send only the correct sticker, and verify that you received the one you asked for. If everything matches, the trade is complete. As a final tip, stay patient and polite throughout the process. Good communication makes trading much easier, especially in busy communities where multiple offers may be happening at once. If a deal feels unclear, don't rush it. Take a second to confirm the details, then complete the exchange confidently and safely.